Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Brevo email marketing tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So welcome to a new tutorial video, and today I will be guiding you on how to use Brevo for beginners. First things first, you will have to type in brevo.com on your web browser. Once you are routed to Brevo's landing page, what I want you to do is on your upper right corner of the screen, click the sign up free button to get started with your account. From here, you will have to type in your email and put on your password. Then click the create account button. Then here you will receive an email from Brevo to verify your email address. You can just head onto your email and click the link. And after you click the link, you will be routed on this page, and this is where you can start the basics of your account, like putting your first name, last name, company name, and also if you have a website, you can put it there as well. And after that, just click the next button to proceed. And over here, you'll have to type in some information about your company, like your address and location. And once you are done typing it in, just click the next button to proceed. On this page, it says that tell us more about your business. So basically, we're going to answer some questions here. The very first one is how many people are in your team? I don't have people yet, so let's do 0 to 1 employee. The next question is how many contacts do we have? Let's do no contacts yet, since this is just a tutorial. The next question is do you sell online? And I don't sell online, so no. Then here you'll have the option if you don't want to receive product updates, marketing tips, or promotional contents from Brevo, then you just simply click the box, so you will not get any notifications about those. And I think we're good to go from here, so we just click the next button to proceed. Then here, Brevo's gonna ask you to validate your phone number, so you're gonna need to put your phone number and validate it after. Once you're done, you will be routed in the last step of creating your account. Here you will have options on what subscription you will choose for your Brevo account. We have the first one, which is the free subscription. For this, everything is free, then you can send 300 emails per day, you can use customizable email templates, you can drag and drop editors, and so on. But if you want to upgrade to a better subscription, we have here the starter plan. You can send 20,000 emails per month, and also there's no limit on sending emails every day. And the Brevo logo will be removed also from your campaigns. But for this tutorial, we will stick with the free plan, so we click on the continue with free plan button to proceed. And here you are now on the actual homepage of your Brevo account. First things first, on the upper right corner of your screen, you have your name there. And then on the left side part of your screen, you have the default shortcuts of your Brevo account. We have here the contacts, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. Those are the shortcuts to navigate around here in Brevo. But what I want to show you first is how you can set up a sender here in Brevo. So to do that, just click your name, and then you're gonna look for the senders, domains, and dedicated IPs. Once you locate that, just click on it, then choose sender. As you can see, I have the senders that I recently added on my account. I also have the default email that I used to make this account from. But moving on the upper right corner of your screen, just click the add a sender button. And this is where you can add a sender. Just type the name of the sender that you want to add, and you're gonna have to type in the email as well. Once you are done putting the informations, just click the save button, and here you will be asked to verify the email of that sender. So just go ahead and verify it. And once you have verified that email, it will automatically be added on your senders list. And going back to the homepage, what I'm going to show you next is how you can add contacts here in Brevo. So in your shortcuts, just click the contacts, then you will be directed to your contacts here in Brevo. As you can see, I only have one contact, which is myself. So for you to add a contact here, there are actually two options on how you can add a contact. The first one is so on your upper right corner, just click the create a contact. And over here, this is where you can put in the details, emails, and numbers of the contact that you want to add. And once you're done, just click the create button below, and it will be added shortly on your contacts. And then the second option is when you click the import contacts button. So here, this option, if you have a file of your contact, you can just simply upload a file here, and it will be added shortly on your contacts as well. Or you can copy and paste the link, and once you're done, it will be added shortly also to your contacts. So now that we already know how to set up a sender and other contacts, what I want to teach you next is how to set up a newsletter or subscription form. So under contacts, just click the forms, and then once you're here, just click the create a subscription form. And over here, you're gonna have to put in the form name for the letter. So for my name, I'll put Tech Tricks, and once you're done, just click the next button. And here, this is where you can build or edit your newsletter form. So on the left side panel of your screen, you have the tools to maximize your form. Like for example, if you want to add attribute into your form, you can just grab and drag it to your letter and it will be added shortly. You can even choose what attributes you want to use. You can change it to first name or last name and even add an attribute list to the field. To do that, just click the create a new attribute option below. Then you will be routed into another tab where you can edit your attribute and add it to your list. And then moving on, once you're done, you're gonna have to click the next button. Then you will have to select on which of your list you will use this newsletter form. Since I only have one, let's just use that, then click next. Then here, just click the double confirmation email and then proceed. And so here, this is the message that goes along with your newsletter. You can go through this by yourself, to figure things out. Then once you have set this up already, just click next to proceed. And so here, this is how you can share your form. As you can see, we have a link here. If we are going to copy and paste it on another tab, it will show us our form that we created. And once you're satisfied with it, just click the done button and you will now have an actual newsletter for your project. Now that we are pretty much done, the last thing that I want to teach you is how to add automations here in Brevo. So to navigate to automation, just go to your shortcuts and click automations. And once you're here, these are actually the list of automations that you have created in the past. But moving on, so we just click the create an automation button. Then you will be routed in this page where you will have an option to create your own automation or use one of the automations Brevo built for you. You have your options here, just feel free to do whatever you want. But for this tutorial, let's do custom automation. And once you click on that, you're gonna have to type in the name of your automation. And below, you can add a description of that automation. Then you'll have an option if you will allow contacts to enter your automation more than once. And we don't want that, so let's leave it like that. Then just click the create automation button down below. And this page is actually the workflow of your automation. So what I want to do is when someone submits a form on my newsletter, I want to reply them and send them an email about tutorial videos. So to do that, we click on the plus sign button and add an entry point. This is like the trigger point of your automation. So we click on the contact submits a form option, then you're gonna be selecting the specific form, which is the newsletter. And once that's done, you are set up here. So we just click OK. And then what I want to do next is I want to send an email to all the contacts that submits a form. So once you click the plus sign button, you're gonna have to click the send email option. Then you will be choosing the email that you want to send. Let's assume that it's this one here, and after that we click OK. And if you think that your workflow is done, on the upper right corner of your screen, just click the activate automation button. And once you see the active word, that's when you know that you have added an automation to your project. And so that is how you add automations here in Brevo. But there are still a lot of options to maximize using Brevo. Just go through the applications yourself and figure things out. I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and if you have any suggestions or ideas, just comment down below. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.